Okay, good morning. This is Mr. Lau here. Today I'm going to show a video about how I unboxing this Seagull guitar from Canada. Just this one. This is a Seagull S6 original QIT. QIT stand for it's a pickup system, you know. So now this is guitar fully from Canada. From La Patrie Gig Bags, okay, Canada. Okay, now open it now. This is how the original packaging came in the container. So the top, stop here, right? The packaging quite safe, nice. See that? This is a TRIC case. TRIC case actually is very lightweight, because a traditional case they're using a wood, but this is using a this one is call it polypropylene. It's polypropylene, and this polypropylene is a very good. It's a thermal case, good to protect the guitar from the hot weather and the cool weather. So in a place like Canada, it's very cool, give a problem to guitar. Like in a sub-Asian country, hot, also good to protect guitars. Okay, this case actually light. So now this is a S6 cedar top, herringbone rosette inlay here, very beautiful. And then this is the QIT pickup. Came with a tuner inside, and the back is cherry wood, and this is a silver leaf maple, Seagull machine head with a crafted Seagull name here, and then the Seagull is the headstock is small. You can see that. The reason is that they want to keep the string aligned straight, instead of going to the left and right in a big angle, but this is go straight. The reason is that they can stay in tune, more stable, right? This is rosewood. Okay, very beautiful. Let me just hear the sound now. It's not in tuning yet. When they came from shipping, the tuning is still like very nice sound. See? So this is the Seagull S6 QIT. You can drop by a guitar store to have a try on this guitar. This guitar is a very affordable price, in the region of 2,000 ringgit. So you get a guitar quality from Canada, right? Thank you very much, and thank you for watching. Bye.